Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Radio Blast over here, and guess what, guys? Yo, the fidget spinner I used in the last video, what's it called? It was my brother's, so now I got my own fidget spinner. It came in the mail today. So you know what happened? Guess what came in the mail today? These fidget spinner. Okay. Anyway. Now it's time to open it. Let me just tear this up. Let's see what it looks like inside, guys. Fidget spinner's in there. Let's go. And also, comment down below if you want me to hydro dip this thing. Anyway, watch me. It's time to open. Oh, look, it's sweet. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Let me get it from all angles. Pretty cool like this. Now, let me just take it out. It's not coming out. I don't want to, like, damage the case. But I'm gonna have to. There we go. Feels a lot better, a lot smoother. Do tons of tricks with this. Guys, also if you want to see me make a video with tricks, then just let me know. Yo, you could get some little bit of what's it called, fanning if you do it really fast and put it up to your face like that. Well, now guys, I'm done here, and we'll see you guys later.